So what is up guys, welcome to SE2 Tech and Motivation YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So guys, today's video is going to be very interesting, and in today's video there are a bunch of topics and lots of news regarding the iPhone SE2, and I'm very happy to tell you this because its Indian pricing has leaked, and not just that, its new antenna features and also the color variants have been leaked. So in today's video I'm going to be discussing about all of this information. So guys, if you want to stay updated from Apple ecosystem, then consider subscribing to our channel, and without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, we all know that iPhone SE2 is going to be a refresh of iPhone 8. iPhone 8 now has it's going to be just an upgrade internally. Okay, the iPhone SE2 is going to be having A13 Bionic chip with 3 gigs of RAM, and this is, again, we know everything that it's just going to be iPhone 8s in short. But guys, in today's video I have with me a couple of updates which will make you even impressed. First of all, it's the update which I want to say is regarding the antenna technology. According to analyst Vinchico, Apple is working behind a liquid polymer wireless transmission technology, which again you can call it as LCP technology, which stands for a greater wireless transaction or wireless networking. Take example Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and also your cellular connectivity. So all of these factors will be improved much more, and the range problem will be solved. And guys, it's pretty good that Apple is indeed working for a product which should be a mid-cycle refresh. So guys, this is regarding wireless technology, and now let me come to the most interesting part, and that is the pricing. In India, its pricing is going to be 28,300 rupees. Yes guys, on the launch day in 2020, Apple is going to be putting this iPhone in India for 28,300 Indian rupees, which is incredible. Let me tell you something about past. Well, when the first iPhone SE was launched, its pricing was 39,900 rupees for the 16GB version on the launch date, which was incredible for this type of iPhone, and now its pricing is like 17,000 for a new one. And that is how much the drastic difference is. But Apple knows that on the launch day, if they will put the pricing for 28,000, definitely there are more people going to be buying it. And guys, it's really the most exciting part of today's video is the pricing itself. And now let me come to the third part, and that is the color variants. iPhone SE2 is going to be coming in silver, space grey, and product red version. My personal favorite product red version is coming this year or the next year with the iPhone SE2, and it's pretty obvious. Okay, one thing I'm not liking is that Apple is not putting the gold color variant. Again, okay, it's pretty obvious, but guys, I just, it's better to have. Most of the people whom I have asked, which is your favorite iPhone or which is the favorite gold color of your iPhones, their choice was the iPhone 8's gold is, I think, the pure gold, because iPhone XS is much more shinier, and the earlier gold kind of looks like, just a little more different type of, but the iPhone 8's gold is pretty true to life according to few people. So guys, if Apple is not opting for this color, there should be a reason. And guys, the space gray variant comes with a black display, and both of the other variants, the product red version even comes with a black display, and if you want a white color bezel display, then you have to go for the silver. So I think this is a pretty clever color scheme which Apple is opting for. But guys, just the thing that really makes me amazed is the price tag. For 20,300 rupees, you are getting a brand new iPhone SE2 on the launch date. And again, this price is not totally confirmed, but according to few big websites like Forbes and Verge and all other websites, this pricing is confirmed, and it's incredible. Global market is for $399 for the iPhone SE2, and in India 28,000. Let me tell you, in India you cannot get a great iPhone for under 30,000, and if Apple will give a brand new iPhone for this pricing, everyone wants it. So I think this is the best update or the best upgrade for all users. And guys, I really am pretty happy, and that's the only reason why I make so many videos regarding iPhone SE2, because this is not just a simple iPhone, but it has put a lot of impact on users. And so hope you like today's video, guys. And guys, if you want to stay updated from Apple ecosystem, then consider subscribing to our channel. And also, if you like today's video, don't forget to give this video a like, and also leave a comment that what are your thoughts, and are you excited for this new iPhone SE2. So hope you like today's video, and I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then,